matutulog sila sa Lunes ng gabi sa loob ng bahay. Hindi sila matutulog sa Lunes ng gabi sa loob ng bahay. At matutulog sila sa loob ng sa Lunes ng gabi sa loob ng bahay. Very good. So, quickly, this is just a quick, what is this? Expressions, questions. Kamusta na ang araw mo? Right? How is your day? Kamusta ang araw mo?
What context would you use mo? Because I know that
yes. Sometimes
when I try to talk to people, they use that, or when I'm texting them, they add it.
Mo, we will get to mo when we start using pronoun to. Pronoun to is when we actually do the active verb. Araw mo. In araw mo is also the possessive pronoun. Araw mo is your day. Bahay mo is your home. So mo is you for your and possessive you. And then of course the plural for mo is niño. Niño. So we'll get to that. So again, as a review, this is the format: action first, and then the napo ba. Remember the napo ba, right? And so look at the sequence here of what is being said. Do you know the word bayan?
Yes, isn't it people?
Yes, it can be in the context of the people, the bayan. It can also be in the context of the country. In this case, the context here is town. Bayan is town. So there are three contextual meaning for bayan. It can be the center of the town center, or it could be the people, or it could be the country. Okay, so in this case, what do you think is being asked here, or what is being said?
We already went to town yesterday morning.
Okay, nagsimba.
Oh, we went to church in town.
Yes. We went to church in town yesterday morning. Very good. Yes. So again, these are the very construction for your format 1. Okay, and it could be any action, right? It could be any action, and I just wanted to emphasize here the na po ba. Then of course, the ka is always designated for format 1. And when you put the po, it is in plural.
Yeah, the plural.
Plural, yes, because it's the ka. So because you put the plural form, the napo ba is retained. The sequence of napo ba is retained, and the place of the pronoun is placed after the napo ba. But if the singular ka is used, It goes after the action and before the na ba. Kumain ka na ba? Right? But only kumain na kayo. Kumain na kayo. It has to be after the na. But only the ka is before the na. Okay? Moving forward. The I format, right? So you see the difference but how are they different? How are they the same? The napo ba is still retained after the action. Okay, and the linking is there. Okay. Okay, revisiting the na. And we already established that the na will always mean already. All right. So you can use it in the past, present, or future. The only thing with the na is that when it's in the negative, okay? Kumain na, right? But if it's in the negative, hindi na kami kumain. So just to be aware of the position of the na in the positive and the negative. And you've already started doing that, right? So you've already started asking the question in the na. Okay. So this is new. Look at how it is used in the different. In your worksheet, I did put a space there, so you could put the different contexts. But look at how it is actually. What do you notice is how do you describe how it is changing what it says? For example, compare it with without the na. Can you, if you say the expression without the na, does it change?
Well, the verb is in the infinitive. And then the adjective doesn't need a verb with it. And the time, I'm not sure how the time changes, at least if you're not having to be super specific with the time.
Yeah. Actually, with time, you really have to, if you want to say it's dark, it's already, when you say something that you want to make a point that it's already time or it's already lunchtime, I think there is no way you can say without already. It's lunchtime. It's already lunchtime. It's lunchtime already. So I don't know. I think in time it has to be said with the time, the na, and with the place. Yeah.
It's not using sa for the specific place, but it is using sa for the
position,
more vague, position.
Sa harap na, sa likod na, sa tabi na. All right. So in the first one, if without the na, it becomes even more like a command, right? It's like a command. Kain, you know. But when you say kain na, it's a little more inviting, right? Rather than a command. In masarap na, it's implying that it's already good. I mean, it don't do anything more to it. It's already good. As opposed to it's good. Okay, because when it say it's good, it's just like expressing something is you know. But when you say masarap na, it's something it's already stop something, whatever you're doing, it's already good. Okay, that's the na when you use it with an adjective. Okay, so that's with the verb, the adjective, time, and place. Okay. This is where you need some new notes. And this is a new term. The pa term.
I don't remember pa. Maybe I missed.
No, this is the first time.
Oh, okay.
You're going, yeah, this is the first time that you're going to come across the word pa. And the word pa is only used when the question has a na. And the answer is when you say when you answer with the affirmative, assist, like for example, kumain na kayo, right? Kumain na siya. And when you use the pa in your answer, look at the first one. What is the pa equivalent to, do you think?
Well, at least placement wise, it's after the verb.
Yes.
But it makes it so you don't have to repeat what the person said, and you can add on a response.
Well, yes, pretty much. What it's actually saying is look at the verbs, right? The question was, did you eat already? Yes, we even slept. So you use the pa when you answer a question with a yes, in adding something else aside from the question of what you did. Okay. So look at this question. Did you eat already? Yes, we even slept. So when you answer it with a yes, that's where you use the pa. And using the pa means that you actually say something and aside from what is being asked, right? So can you give me let me give you an example and you can answer. Nag-grocery shopping ka na? What did I ask you? Nag-grocery shopping ka na?
Will I be grocery shopping? Or
yeah,
you asked you, but me.
Yeah, yes. I asked you, did you go grocery shopping already? And answer it with a pa.
Hindi pa ako mag-go grocery shopping.
Answer with a yes. Oo.
Oo, mag-go grocery shopping pa ako.
Okay. When you answer it with a yes, you answer it with a yes, oo, but it's going to be something that you did aside from your grocery shopping. So when you say, nag-grocery shopping ka na? And how you say it with a pa is that, oo, what else? Nag-restaurant pa kami. Okay? So you're not answering about, oh, we went grocery shopping, although you can say, oo, nag-grocery shopping kami at nag-restaurant pa kami. Right? At kumain pa kami. So the pa, I'm just adding there the use of the pa. Okay? So, Sophie, kumain ka na ba?
Did you say the pa or in there? I didn't hear the pa.
The pa is used to answer the question.
Oh, okay.
But you add something else aside from what I ask you.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Oo. Naglakad na pa ako.
Yes, yes. You see that? Oo, naglakad pa ako. Or what other thing you did aside from the question? That is the pa in the positive. Okay? When you say oo, when you want to use when you want to say something outside of what is being asked, when you add something, you use the word pa. Okay? Natulog na ba sila? Oo, naligo pa sila. So, did they sleep already? Yes, they even took a bath. Right? So, pa is that word that adds on to a yes, and they also did this. Okay? Now, when you answer in the no for using the pa, it means it's equivalent to the word yet. Okay? So when they ask you, are you eating? Right? So are you eating already? We are not eating yet. So hindi pa kami kumakain. Right? We have not eaten. We are not eating yet. Okay. Or in the future, will you be eating already? Kakain na ba kayo? And in the answer, we will not be eating yet. Hindi pa kami kakain. So the pa in the negative means yet. The pa in the positive is we even did something else. Okay? So very, very significant addition there for the word pa. So let's see. I'm going to put in the chat here and you can answer me in the chat. Okay. So answer me in the positive. Excellent. Very good. Yes. Oo, pumunta pa siya sa eskwela kanina. Okay. Answer this in the negative. Nagtanim means did you plant? Halaman are plants. Did you, nagtanim is did you plant plants, right? Answer in the negative. Take note of the pronoun. So, kayo, kayo. So you answer, do you answer with the one questioning you or the one without the one questioning?
Oh, without
Yeah?
the kami.
Yes, yes, yes. There you go. Di pa kami. Yes. Nagtanim na ba kayo ng halaman? Hindi pa kami nagtanim ng halaman. Okay, good. Yes. So you got it. You got it. So that's the thing about the pa. Again, the pa is only used when a question has a na. Okay? When they say, na umalis na ba siya? Right? You don't answer a question pa without if a question is without a na, of course you don't say it with a pa. Okay? The na and the pa. That is the pairing. Okay? Look at the context of pa in different contexts.
Oh, so in context with verbs, it can mean more.
Yes. Do something more. Kain pa, right? Inom pa, drink some more. Inom pa, but it has to be the root word because it's asking you to do something.
So if I said punta pa, would it be like go farther or just?
Yes, yes, yes. Punta pa. Go some more. Yes. You put the pa, you use the pa. If you want something that's being done, do some more of it. When writing, sulat pa, write some more. When you want somebody to sing some more, kanta pa. And you, when you want to put you sing some more, you sing some more. You say kanta ka pa, right? Kanta ka pa. Or you can use the conjugated kumanta ka pa. Yeah. So do some more. And look at it in the adjective.
Still. So it didn't change.
Yeah. Yes, it didn't change. It's still masarap. It's still late, or it's still something is still, the pa still doing this, right? Okay, so it's the adjective and the pa means it hasn't changed. Good. And the same thing with time in place. Okay. It's the word still. Very good. Very good. Going back to place, a place need not always have a position. Okay. You can just say, naligo kami sa ilog, instead of saying in the mouth of the river. You can just say, we went swimming at the river. You don't have to say we went swimming at the mouth of the river. So it could be just quickly a place. nag-grocery kami sa Costco, right? Kumanta siya sa bahay. So you can take out the position is what I'm saying here. Okay. Okay. Okay, a position, however, did not always have to denote a place. Look at this. It can denote an object.
What does ibabaw ng lamesa mean?
So ibabaw is the position that means on top. Okay, on top. La mesa is...
Oh, on top of the table.
Yes. Yes. So garden, right? This is a garden. So right by the garden, right? And you can use any kind of object to denote a place, right? It can be sa tabi ng puno, right? Sa tabi ng kotse, sa tabi ng bisikleta, right? Sa harap ng bisikleta, okay? And the place can be based on an object and not necessarily a place. Okay?
Okay.
Again, format 1 with ba. Kain ba. And then if we have the na, where do you put the na?
Naba.
Yes, very good. Very good, Sophie. Actually, how we're going through this, we're going through the minute details now. We're doing the details. Okay, look at this. The place is at the end, right? At the back. Kakain ba tayo bukas sa labas ng Seattle? And it's a question, right? Ba. But when we put the place in front, look at what happens. What changed? This is...
The pronoun goes before the verb when you put the place first.
Yes. The pronoun. So sa labas ng Seattle, ba tayo kakain bukas? Kakain ba tayo bukas sa labas ng... Oh. So yes, it's the placement of the verb. Okay. Before or after the pronoun. Okay. That's a major shift here. How you put the pronoun, whether it's in front or after, based on the placement of the connective of place.
Could you still put the time before all of that, or does the time have to be?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Bukas, right? You say bukas. Sa labas ng Seattle ba tayo kakain? Yes. Sa labas ng Seattle ba tayo kakain bukas? It's either, it can be in both sides of time. But it's the place that's very critical here. When you use the ba, okay? Okay. So the na po ba still follows it. So what I'm going to do I'm going to send out this slide. I'm a little under the weather. You probably noticed. uh, for some reason, it's somehow just a few minutes ago, or before we started class, somehow it hmm, feeling a little
Yeah.
yeah, somehow. Anyway, so I'm going to send the this what is this presentation, slide presentation, and then some exercise to go along with it. Okay,
Okay.
and this the practice is going to be in the pa, and then the placement of the connective of place using it with the ba. Okay.